track off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright guys, here I am. This is the Mavic Air 2, and the Mavic Air 2 is going to be doing a ActiveTrack of this boat right here. We're going to see this boat right here, and we're going to see if it can handle 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and maybe 40 miles an hour. So let's get into the video. Let me get it up a little higher and back. Yeah, I feel comfortable about this far back. This is where I would want it for like a wakeboarder or something. And then I'm just going to draw a box around it, and then I'm going to say ActiveTrack. I'm going to skip the video and close the video, and then we'll hit ActiveTrack and go. So we're now active tracking, guys. So now we're active tracking, and I'm going to go ahead and raise this camera a little bit like this, and put it in gear, and we're going to go forward, and let's see how it does. Okay, put it right here for now. Alright guys, so it's looking like it's active tracking me pretty well. And right now we're in normal mode in the controller. And it's right over my right shoulder, but I'm going to give it some gas, bring it up to 10. That is 10 knots. Alright, it's keeping up with me at 10. Doing a good job. It's good at 15. I bumped it up to 15. It's keeping track of me up here behind me, over my shoulder, I imagine, right up there. Get to the middle a little bit. Alright, that's 20, 22. It said it's going too fast for 22. Alright, I'll put it in sports mode. Sports mode, it gave me the warning that it can't do obstacle avoidance. It looks like it's catching up. I'll slow down to 20 again, 22. Down to 20 now. Let me wait till it catches up. Then I'm going to hammer it and see how it does. Okay, there we go. Let's go. So this is in sports mode. We're going to get it up to 25. Coming up to 30, 30 right there, guys. In sports mode, no problem at all. No problem at all. Alright, let's do a big hard turn. Let's see how it does at 30 miles an hour. Hard turn. Seems to be doing okay. On a hard turn, guys. It's keeping track of me. Okay. Boom, 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 and there goes my GoPro. Get the GoPro going. It's still doing 30, guys. On the knot. Still right on me. We're going to bump it up to 35. 35. 35 right there. Not a problem. Keep track of me at 35. 35. There we go. 35. We're going to hit 40 now, guys. 40. That's 40 right there. Not a problem at all. At 40. Slow this thing down. Go to the middle. Turn hard right. Oh, there goes my GoPro again. Okay, so it does a really good job, buddy. Really good job. Okay, I want to stop, bring it in, and attach my GoPro so it doesn't fall down, okay? Poor GoPro. amazing. This thing is just solid right on me. I'm going to attach the GoPro here so it doesn't get all crazy on me, I guess. Give you a different kind of view. All right, so now we're gonna do a point of view, and I'm gonna say go, and it's just gonna start flying around me, right? That's my understanding. To go around me pretty fast. You saw me just move that slider around the right side, and it's going to be flying around my right side. Seems to be doing a pretty good job. Having a hard time lateral. I'm doing 8 miles an hour, and oh yeah, it's having a hard time. I'm going to give it some gas, see what happens. See if I can lose it. Alright, doing 10 knots, 10 knots. Oh no, I lost my microphone. So at 10 knots, it has a hard time trying to keep up with me. So let's put in sports mode. Will it do it? Sports mode. Obstacle avoidance not detected. Well, okay. If I can put it in parallel mode. Okay, put it in parallel mode. Trace, track, parallel mode. Okay. That was 20 knots. Moving it up to 25. 25 coming up. That was 25, guys. In sports mode, not a problem at all. All right, let's do 30. 28. 30. 35 coming up. 32. 35 right there. 35. I'm going to do a hard turn. Let's see what happens. That's incredible technology. I don't know about you, but that's super impressive. Super impressive. I'm doing 25 and it's like right on the money. Look at that. That's crazy, right? Right on the money. I'm being very careful not to run into trees. I'm staying in the middle of the channel, so the best practices for running this ActiveTrack in parallel is stay in the middle of the channel, guys. Got overtaken by a fisherman. I mean, he is just getting it. I'll follow him. See what it does. You see the fisherman getting? I'm doing 40 now. I'll slow down. I don't want to. Shoulder. That is just amazing. I'm just so impressed. Very impressive. Super impressive. Super impressive technology. There it is. Wow. Go ahead and stop it, bring it in. I'm gonna just gotta give you my final thoughts on this, man. This is just impressive, right? I mean, that technology is so hard. It's so hard to do manually, and it is just rock solid on us, man. So the optics here are just incredible. Just incredible. Wow. So my thoughts on the Mavic Air doing ActiveTrack, amazing, amazing. If you want to go to high speeds, you got to be in sports mode though, guys. Normal wakeboarding speeds, no, I think you're okay. Wakeboarding speeds, you're okay. You know? That's one nice thing about it. Once you put it in this mode, guys, the camera stays on top of you. You can see that? The camera stays locked in on us. 2020, no doubt, the Mavic Air 2. Impressive ActiveTrack.